Hello everyone, another AdRoast episode. Today we're gonna talk about creatives that they're gonna make people interact with their phones, with their fingers, so that you can get more engagement. Before we start, guys, don't forget to like and comment if you have any more ideas or anything that you want me to video shoot. And let's start the video. So, you're watching a video as you come back from work, you're at home, you are brain rotting and you're watching this video and you're seeing this. Or you're seeing this.
Did you know in just 3 days you could...
Most people think that they don't have battery. Of course, the people that they have created the videos, they have made them in a way that it's stopping their freezing for 2-3 seconds so that people are gonna click my battery, okay, whatever, a little bit of confusion, everything. So what does this make? This make people sit more to the video, which means that we are passing the 5 seconds stop play, which means that they're engaging, and it means that somebody is not scrolling right away from the video, which means that Meta is gonna like that and is gonna think that this video is better. Then we have people that are gonna tap, maybe even tap 2 times and like. And this is a very good sign also, because that means that people interact with this video. They want to stop it, they want to click it, they want to do something, and this is a very good sign. And in the same concept, we do have videos that are gonna make you touch your screen so that you're gonna engage more. And we go now to the realm of advertisement, because on the realm of advertisement, we have this video over here. I think that this is a video that most of you have seen, and all of us we have tried to take the hair outside. There are other versions with broken screens or whatever, or something else which is gonna make people stay more, appreciate the fact that they have been tricked. Also, all of these plays a role because they're gonna say, oh, they tricked me, good advertisers, let me see the whole ad. Some of them are gonna get angry and they're gonna leave, but some others are gonna engage, maybe even like, and then you're gathering likes. Maybe you're gonna even discuss it with a friend of yours because you wanna tease them, and you're gonna send it there so that they're gonna have the same problem with the hair as you had, and all of that. All of this is good content and good ideas for creatives that you can use so that you can push your products. It doesn't mean that necessarily whoever is gonna engage there, it's gonna buy. But it means that you can actually build over there something which is gonna become viral, and by becoming viral, more people are gonna see it with less advertisement cost. Do I think that these are good ways for you to advertise products? I don't think so, but of course they can be successful ads. On the other hand, I do think that these are creatives that are very good for something like awareness. Let's say, for example, that a circus goes in a local area. Let's say, for example, that we have food festival happening. Let's say, for example, that we have a company which is starting now and they want to have viral posts. These are ways for you to get more recognition for your brand and all of that. And if you know, the problem is that in the new era, sometimes people say, yeah, but this is not good for the branding because it's gonna be sound like it's amateur and it's not professional material. Well, you have to understand that right now people love the non-political correct way, and a brand which is gonna be funny, it's gonna make fun of themselves, they're gonna do something which is controversial and all of that. All of these kind of things are things that when we live in an era that everybody tries to be correct and super careful and all of that, when a brand is going in a different direction and they do something like Red Bull, for example, okay? They're doing a completely different advertisement with all of these things, of course, in a top level. You can understand that over there, they're doing something completely differently from the other brands. I think that this is, let's say, for example, that in my dreams, I had a new brand that I started right now and I wanted to become famous, and it had the fonts to actually become famous in the whole world. I would try to do this kind of content so that I can trick people into commenting, like, and sharing all of my videos so that they can become viral and get more recognizability. More recognizability is that, and this is a huge success, when people start understanding and they know your brand, then that means that you made it and you can start having contracts with people in different countries to sell your product and so on. In any case, let me know if you have seen anything like that into your ads that you're watching on your phone, or if you have seen any reel that it was super interesting, so that we can all share our ideas. Try it also with your ads, see if it's working for you. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.